all these flowers that are here, you know their names?
Yeah.
I watch any funny exercise.
Yeah.
Hii ni gani?
Hypericum. Daisy.
What?
Purple daisy.
Purple daisy.
Yeah.
It reminds me of pyrethrum. This one?
Corias.
Oh, Corias.
Yeah. I'm Douglas Mwaura material.
Yes.
And this is my garden.
Yes.
I'm a landscaper. I plant flowers for school.
Yes.
I was planting small trees in a container. Then when I got to it, I got some friends who are planting. They started educating me. I was starting with a notebook. When they saw me, I write the name, and then after that I climbed it. So that's how I came to know all all the names of flowers.
So then you were in Belgium embassy for outside the Belgium embassy for so long. Is that the where we had the camera?
Yeah, opposite Kadura Forest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and you were there for how long?
There I stayed almost 15 years. Then I moved to Northern Bypass. I got a nursery next to Wits Hotel.
You made a good move because I have seen a lot of flowers, and so maybe we can just go through the flowers that you have, and you can just show me everything else that you're doing, because I'm seeing you're doing a lot of stuff. That's a herb?
Yeah, it is a herb. We call it Lemon Fabina.
Fabina?
Yeah, Lemon Fabina. Yeah.
It's so lemony.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It smells like, this is a very familiar smell. But it makes you salivate.
Yeah.
It's a bit bitter, but the smell is to die for. This you called what?
Tropical mint.
Tropical mint.
Yeah.
You see, when you say tropical mint, it reminds me of a good old tropical sweet. It feels like it's even evaporating in your mouth. Cameraman, do you want to try? This is nice. This is very nice.
This is the strawberry mint.
Oh, I'm loving this one. That one for tropicals.
Yeah, you love this more than
I love this one more.
More than tropical.
Wow. Whoa.
Strawberry.
Yes. I wonder if this is what they use to extract the ninis.
Yeah, the flavors. Right?
The flavors. Yeah. Instead of using synthetics, we can use the natural flavors.
You know, mostly it is used for garnishing.
Ah, for garnishing foods and drinks.
And drinks. And juices.
And juices. The guys who are doing mixologists, we have all this for you.
This is the basil.
You know how strong the smell is. I can smell it from here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
For pizza.
For pizza even. Pizza.
Purple basil.
Purple basil. Wow. And this?
This is a flower.
Oh, you know, I'm just thinking because you have all small hidden things. Huko tumeficha tu huko. Tuzuri. Wow.
You know, even in the forest, the plant grows together.
Yes.
Yeah,
that's the idea and the concept that we have.
Yeah.
Let them work.
Let them work together.
The paper greenhouse, that is the starting point where you grow them.
Yeah.
Then you move them into the shade netting.
Yeah.
And the shade netting is to help them, it's like weaning them off. Hardening. Yeah. So you're hardening them off so that they are able to go and sit in the normal climatic conditions.
Yeah.
Ah, fantastic. And this is which plant now? Poinsettia.
Yeah, the class of euphorbia.
Mwaura is very creative. See?
I use sand, cement, and a piece of cloth. Then I mix the cement, and it has to be very soft, to be liquid.
Yes.
Then I dip this one to that cement, and then I put it here. Then when it is here, I will put my design. Because it is wet, it will fold itself.
Yes.
Then I keep it to dry. Then when I go to the next step, like this one, it have gone one step. It have 2 more steps to go. That is the finished product.
I love the finish. Iko poa sana. Iko poa kabisa.
When the cement dries,
yes.
When it cures, it becomes right. This one,
yes.
It has fall down.
Yes.
So you see it have a breakage,
yes.
But it can't.
You can't break paragasha.
Paragasha. Because there is a code in it. Huh? So this one is repairable. Before I start this one,
yes.
In my nursery at Witsa, but some guy brings his pots there. They were being stolen.
What?
But finally, we find where the pots were, when the pots were where they were being sold.
Oh, so someone was stealing to go and sell somewhere else.
Yeah, and that thing, ilifanya niumwe sana. And I sit down. I said I make a pot. And hakuna mtu atakuwa na hiyo design ama nini. That's when I started go to online. I checked, so that's where I have get some design. That's why I make my own pots. I got more than 20 designs.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Even this design, I think about it when I am asleep.
Ah! Mwaura dreamt. He dreams. And he makes it happen.
Yeah.
You know what I'm liking about the things that you do? Yeah. It's like a child play. Yeah. Basically, that's what I'm saying. It's a child play. Yeah. And you are using everything. You're using bamboo, you're using cloth, you're using pieces of, strings, wire mesh, anything and everything. Yeah, and you're able to put things together.
Yeah.
Interesting.
It is just when you have passion of something.
Yes.
You can do everything to attain it.
This business now has sustained you for, you said 15 years?
Yeah.
15 years. It allowed you to, umejenga, umesomesha, umefanya kila kitu.
Yeah.
Everything is...
It is my everything.
This is your everything.
Yeah.
I'm so proud, man.
You don't have to have passion.
You need to have passion.
I like that and like it.
Yeah. Passion for the thing that you're doing.
Yeah, for the passion.
Your thing is flowers and anything flowers.
Yeah.
How much are your pots? How much do they go for?
This one I sell for 1,500, 1,500. That together, the big one with the plant, it is 5,000. Like this size is 2,000, and this one is 2,500.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lakini mimi nitakuja kunegotiate. Mukitaka kunegotiate, call me. I might just get good price.